So here's how you can get threads on Instagram. It's actually quite easy to do. You just want to make sure that you watch this full video to the really end so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So with threads, it's actually not going to be within the Instagram app like notes. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it. So with Instagram threads, you want to first exit out of the Instagram app, and then you want to head on over to your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, whichever one you currently have. Now you want to go ahead and click on search apps at the very top, go into the search bar, and then just type in threads. Now this very first option should come up. It should have about 10 million plus downloads. It's going to say threads and Instagram app, and this is exactly the logo that you're looking for, and then simply click on install. Now this may pop up complete account setup. Click on continue, and then now you want to click on skip. Alright, so then once you have downloaded threads, you want to go ahead and open the app. Immediately upon arrival, you can get into this appearance right here. This is going to be the home page, and then at the very bottom says login with Instagram, and then you want to go ahead and click on it and choose on your account. So it should be the account that you're currently logged in over on your main Instagram account. So then you want to set up your profile right over here. You want to write a bio. This could be whatever you want. Click on the checkmark box on the top right hand side. And what you can also do is import all of your details over on your Instagram profile to Instagram threads. So you can click on that and then you can change it. But I'm not going to do that. After you're done with the profile page, you want to go ahead and click on the next arrow on the top right hand corner, and then you can choose to make your account public or private. This doesn't really matter. I'm just going to keep it public, and then click on continue. You can also follow the same people, but in this case, I'm just going to skip this part. And so this is how threads work. It is powered by Instagram, and you read through all this. I'm not going to read it, but it's essentially just teaching you exactly what thread is and how it works and stuff. So then click on join threads at the very bottom. So there you go. Now you have logged into Instagram threads, and to be honest, it looks kind of like Twitter, which is pretty cool. You can go ahead and check this out, play around with Instagram threads, and that is essentially how you can get it.